Morning, everyone. This is Benny and Royce.
Royce here, all good. Where are we?
Yeah, now we are in Bodor Dream Park.
So we're gonna have a factory tour today?
Of course.
Let's get started.
Let's go. So we're inside here.
Yeah,
How's it?
it looks spectacular.
Yes, and we invest 1 billion yuan just for first phase.
First phase.
Yeah, and it should be covering 250,000 square meters.
It's like around 51 acres.
Yeah, 28 football fields.
It's massive.
Yeah,
So this is the production line.
yeah.
How does it look?
It looks professional and busy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We have a 10 production line like this in this factory.
Really?
Yeah, it produces around 1,000 units of laser cutters each month.
It sounds incredible.
Yeah, we manufactured over 10,000 units last year, 2025, to over 180 countries and regions around the globe.
Hey, this M5,
Yes, it is M5. Looks like a cannon, doesn't it?
yeah, always ready to fire.
Yeah, it's a special design for the heavy tube processors. And they get two beds, 4 chocks, load and unload at the same time, profoundly increase the efficiency. What about this one?
So this one is the B series with high tower. The tower do storage, loader, also unload the material for the professional laser cutter.
And behind us is the A series, which is very popular in Australia with its friendly price.
Yeah, also it makes CE certification.
As you can see the cover on its beam.
Yeah, that's right.
So that will be all for today's factory tour.
See you next time.
Bodor, Dare to Dream.